Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Watch Dogs Legion Main Character Challenge. Today we will be liberating our first district, Westminster. Mostly because I cannot bear to see Buckingham Palace and Big Ben defaced like this, so we will save it. It is our righteous option as a true Brit. Time to get down to business then. So, as I was saying in the previous video, I have been to London quite a few times. Most of the times it was to go to Wembley to see my football team play, because, well, let's face it, my football team is one of the best football teams in Britain. You cannot change my mind, because I'm a footy fan. Well, not a big footy fan, not enough to get FIFA anyway, but I like football. It's just kind of runs in the family, I suppose. Yeah, like I said in the last video, most recent time was when I went to go see the Queen's coffin being displayed for everyone. That was fun, 14-hour long ride. Had a hot dog for breakfast from an ice cream van. That'll never get old. You got to see London in a new light. Literally. We got in the line at about 10 PM. We got out of the line at about 1 PM the next day. Something like that. We ended up going back. We went to sleep for a few hours at the little, I don't know what to call it. It was a hotel thing, and yeah, we had a lot of fun waiting in a 14-hour long line. But that's not what's important. What's important is that you save Buckingham Palace, you make it right again. Also thinking of adding a royal guard to the team, because I mean, it'd be pretty cool. Like I said, this is my main character I'm going to play as mainly, but you know, she needs side characters obviously, and I'm thinking, you know, I'll add a royal guard. I don't know which one would be best though. Let's just have a little look at all of these, and I'm mostly just going to pick because their name. I like this guy, Amor Porta. I don't know why, but I feel like that's how his name's said. This is kind of, you know, normal. So, Amor Porta is going to be our next character. In fact, comment down below if I should get Amor Porta next, or go for one of the other potential recruits I've got. I've got a drone expert. I could get Aiden Pierce. I could get Wrench. I could get that weird, I don't know, weird girl that broke out of the lab, I forgot her name, who can mind control people, and there's also the assassin I could get, which could be pretty helpful in recruitment missions, but I can't use them in anything else but recruitment missions and borrow liberations. All the main missions I have to play as this character here.
Feel free to use it anytime.
And I will give them all a story as well, if you want me to. I'll, once I've unlocked the deep profile, I can tell you more about this beautiful character we have here, Isabel. And, anyway, on to the next location! Let's see where we need to go next. Right, what could possibly go wrong? Go wrong. Right, so we're here now, and I'm going to try and break in. And I'm not going to use my gun, because that'd be stupid and I'll end up getting killed. I should, I've got the tough drunk ability, so I will drink beer to help me with melee attacks. And hopefully that should help me out enough to liberate this place. Look at me go, I am so good! Isabel Cooper is just like the strongest character in this game, by far. I mean, look at her. And watch this now, watch this, watch this, watch this. Wait, they don't use guns if I do that right. I shouldn't do. Did I kill that guy? Oh, ayo, mate, ayo. What's up? What's good? What's good? Wait. I got my gun out. I got my gun. I didn't mean to get my gun out. I meant to drink. I meant to drink. Shit. Let's get out of here. Now. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, I just started the series. I can't die now. I can't die now. Right. This is going to be a tough situation to get out of. But I'm sure that I'll be able to do my best. And I'm still going to rescue this man. I need to. Right, I'm just going to drink my beer real quick so that I can actually take a fight and not die. And then I'm going to try and finish this. But they have gone on lockdown. And let me save you, buddy. Get out of here. I'm going to try and get out of here myself and not die. Please don't die. I don't want to die. Okay. I'm a bit drunk.
There we go.
But being drunk in this game is not as annoying as it is in CFE. Okay. I get it. You want to kill me.
Exactly.
Why'd you want to kill me? I didn't even kill anyone. I just beat you up. That's all, and maybe I got a car to run someone over. But the past's in the past. I only got my gun out. I wasn't going to use it. Didn't mean to, anyway. Right. I can use the power of my spider bot to clear everybody in my way. Because I've got the disrupt hack. And that's probably the best option I've got right now.
The suspect was right there a minute ago. Doing it. You're not going to escape. Suspect hit. Shit! Fucking
Alright, okay. First one down. This may take a while, so I'm gonna speed you guys through it.
Don't you worry, I'll find you.
Okay, I think that was the perfect time to get the fuck out of here. Otherwise, I will end up dying on the second video, and I just cannot have that. So, I will make sure not to pull my gun out in public anymore. Or, well, even worse, around Albion. It's just me being a dumbass, and I almost cost me my life. No, I just gotta get the hell out of here, or I will end up dying. Well, whenever there's a long car scene, you will hear my terrible voice singing, and I just wanted to make that clear in the best way possible, just by showing you. I know, I sound terrible, but I'm gonna make you guys listen to me. You clicked on this video, not me. Well, I might do in the future. It's gonna be scary, reminder. Anyway, now we're at the next part, and I am probably gonna pick a fight with some random person, because that's just the type of person I am. Yep. Yeah. These guys, they know what's up. But I'm not gonna be stupid this time. I am better than this. I am not going to pull my gun out, because I know what will happen if that happens, and oh my god, why are there so many of you? God, they just keep coming! Okay, I'm just gonna, you know, run. That's for the best. I'm probably gonna... shit, here we go again. If I'm gonna survive this challenge, I need to be a lot more careful. I am having such a problem at the moment. Jesus Christ. Oh god. Alright, okay. I am going to commandeer the next vehicle I see. Probably that one. But not before I kick this guy in the nuts! Alright, Time to go.
Ambulance urgently required.
Not quite a year since she went away. Hosanna, yeah. Now she's gone, and I have to say, meet you all the way. Meet you all the way. Hosanna, yeah. Meet you all the way.
What did you think of my song this time? Even better, right? It'll just keep getting better and better. Alright, okay. I'm being serious now. I better continue this part of the mission because this is this is it. This is where we get to witness
Drone's been deployed
the
to apprehend
death
the suspect.
of
Received, we are in pursuit.
the most sacred person. Beyond Boom! I know. Nobody wants to believe it. Beyond Boom is about to die. I'm sure all of you fellas would love to hear more of my terrible stories, so I'm going to speak about my first concert. It was a lovely place. Actually, you know what? No, screw that. My second concert was more interesting. Because that was in Ireland. And Ireland is more interesting, naturally. And, it was in Dublin. And, I went with my family. But my mum, she wasn't too smart. Okay, because she booked it for us. And you know what? Forget it. It's like, forget it. It's like, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Bishop become a killer. Isabel Cooper's first victim. Before she lost the power, get to her head and become very, very evil. Beyond Boom! And as you can see him going down there. See if he's like, nope. Poor Bjorn. He's dead. Dropped a crate on his head. And no one will ever know who the real killer is. Even if everybody does know anyway, that to do with DedSec. Isabel got away with it. And she's going to start going down a very dark path soon. She's not liking life at the moment anyway. But she's feeling it. She's feeling the world's better. She totally would never hurt another soul. On that note, it's about goddamn time we go save Big Ben, don't you say? So, screw taking the car this time. You don't want to hear my singing again, do you? So instead, we're going to go take the train. Also because I'm tired of singing. And I know how much you guys clearly love it. For my 2 viewers that are actually watching this. So, here we go. Let's jump off the building like a maniac. No, I'm not that stupid. Alright, let's get the drone, take it down, and we'll go down and get the train.
Justice served, kind
The
of.
first, well, it's not the first for Isabel. Her guilty conscience is weighing on her. She takes the train.
You've done it. All our Westminster targets have been
Sabine, you're next!
Albion's hurting and
Sorry.
the people are coming out of their shells.
Just saying whatever's on her mind, you know what I mean?
Here contacting us.
Sabine is
Come
next,
again?
though.
Yeah, I thought it's strange too. Says she has an idea how we might rally the people in the borough.
Right.
You should meet her.
Time to hop on the train to nowhere. This'll be fun ride for everyone.
This is a Circle Line train via Liverpool Street and Tower Hill. The next station is Farrington.
Caviar and cigarettes, well fascinating, extraordinary. She's a killer. Guaranteed to blow your mind.
Ha, I tricked you. You still had to listen to my terrible singing. I know. I feel sorry for you too. And yeah, now you guys have a real taste of what this is going to be like. We see everything she sees, so if I have to take the tube, you get this footage of her on the tube. Well, it's more of a first person POV of her on the tube. Yeah. Anyway, let's save Big Ben.
Heard you were looking for DedSec, yeah?
Wasn't sure you'd come knowing I'm part of the establishment. Or at least I was until Albion dismissed Parliament. I do want to say, what you've done in Westminster is remarkable. You've given the people hope.
Somehow saying
Yeah, love, it's
we
just
told
what I
you
do.
so
It's
isn't
part
as
of being
satisfying
the
as a fault.
famous
Let's just get Albion
Isabel
sorted,
Cooper.
yeah?
I couldn't agree more. That's why I contacted you. Albion haven't simply shut down the government. They've sullied the Palace of Westminster, the Great Bell, with their propaganda. Do you understand what that looks like? If you really want to rekindle some of the people's
Actually, yeah,
fighting
love,
spirit,
I'm
then restoring
also
the
with
clock
you.
tower
We
would go
must
a
say
long
Big
way.
Ben.
Love
Make
it.
it what it
No
once
better
was.
symbol
Make
for
it
taking
great
back
again.
what's ours
I'm
from
gonna go
Albion.
over there.
Let's
and
give
I
the
will
people
shove a
some hope.
spider bot into it.
I knew
and
I could count
save
on
it,
you.
because
It would be
I
wonderful to
care
hear the
about
bell
this
once
country
more.
than Liz Truss ever could, or Rishi Sunak, that weirdo.
There is some security around the bell tower, but that shouldn't pose a problem.
God, you're gone.
A bigger issue will be
Right.
getting to the top.
Right, let's get down to
A
business.
spider bot should do the trick.
Okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this without harming a single person. Without harming more than one person. Screw it, let's kill them all. We will stand up for Big Ben. It will be saved, and I will make sure of it. And once it's saved, I will prevail. Happy, because we all love Big Ben, Big Ben, Big Ben. Big Ben. Big Ben. Big Ben's a funny name. And everyone, the actual smuggle. Actually, Big Ben is the name of the bell and not the clock tower. I don't bloody well care, mate. That's a well-known fact. Like, come on. God. Anyway, now I'm gonna have to sneak over myself so I can get into the clock tower. This might take a little while, so I'm going to speed it up again. I know, a lot of unnecessary violence, but I'm about to arrive where I need to be anyway, darlings. Sorry,
Path up
sometimes
to
my
the top of the
voice just
tower is
goes
treacherous.
like
All
this.
crawl spaces and gantries, more suited to 6 mechanical legs than 2
You know what I'm
human
gonna
ones.
do now?
Sounds like a gas.
Speed things up again, because no one wants to see spider parkour. Actually, screw it. I won't speed things up. I'm going to talk to you guys about, I don't know. Oh yeah, what I was going to talk about before I killed Bjorn Boom. My second ever concert in Dublin, which was brilliant actually. I went to see Green Day, Weezer, before, but 3 brilliant bands, I think, anyway. So what happened was, now a funny story. I was, my mum, she wasn't very smart when she did it. She booked us a hotel in Dublin city centre, and this concert was in a park on the other side of the city, and, well, 40,000 people went to this concert. Transport line was hectic. We couldn't find our way back. Guess what happened? We had to walk until 3 AM when we actually managed to find... Right, close the context. The concert finished around, I want to say 9:30ish? Maybe a bit later, maybe about 10ish. Finished about 10. We didn't get back till 3 AM. We had to go through a city we'd never been to before, in the dark, and find our way back to the hotel. Eventually, we did stop walking with this random lady who was really nice as well. So, we definitely didn't get kidnapped. Joking. But seriously, she was really nice, and we managed to hitch a ride with her. We found a nice house. And we managed to get back to the hotel room and go to sleep before off like the next day back home. I will say, islands are very beautiful places. I recommend going to anybody here. If you want to go to Ireland, go Ireland. I love it. I've got Irish family, so they live in They definitely. I think they live in Cork. Never mind that. You look particularly beautiful tonight. Anyway, back to climbing up the clock tower to finally get to the bell. Once we get there, we can save this beautiful landmark from Albion's wrath. I basically hate Albion and Juan Kelly. Dead secondly on the good ones, and I am not going to become a murderer throughout this series. I've only got one kill to my name at the moment, me, innocent little Isabel Cooper, and I'm going to kill another soul, and oh my god, we made it, lads. We made it, alright, time to jump off. I'm joking. I'm not that stupid. Right. Ooh, I'll take that. Okay. Now all it's left to do is find the thing that's doing the thing and stop the thing from doing what it's doing. There we go. And now London will be saved and we have finished the challenge. We've won. Okay, I've only done one district. There's more. Oh, fellas, put it down in the comments below if anybody wants what I should say next. I'm thinking the London Eye, but at the same time, the Shard. Really good with it. On that note, let us find out what rewards await us for this monumental achievement. I'm so proud of myself. I know.
That was moving, truly. To hear the chimes again, to see that tower the way
I feel
it's
like you're
going to
become a main character.
everything to the
You're going to be one of my side characters, my sidekicks. We're going to be friends, me and you. I might change your outfit up a bit.
Everyone needs a symbol to rally
but I'm going to recruit you.
It represents our
I'm not going to
parliamentary
show the
democracy.
recruitment mission, but I'll
To
have it by the
Albion
next one, I
to face
promise.
it the way they did,
So,
it's clear what they were up to.
just so you
Dead
guys
Sec.
know, she might look a bit different, but it'll be the same person. Whatever the hell her name is, I never paid attention. I will find out now. Ooh, Dead Sec support. I
Brilliantly
like
done.
it.
Westminster will
Okay,
surely rise up
seriously,
against
what's
Albion
your
after
name?
this.
Cheers.
Where am I going? Oh. Yeah, just climb over a fence and climb onto an ambulance, why don't you? Seriously, what's her name? Ah, there we go. Right. You are being added to my recruits. Alright, let's get down to business, ladies and gents. I'm going to beat up random people. And, well, I'm going to get drunk and beat up random people. Because that's what I like to do with my life. I am a strange individual, I know that. But I was thinking of being homeless. But no. Random people are better. Die. Okay. Maybe not die, not that bleak. But, hold on, let me put it into Isabel Cooper's story. The pressure, the guilt was growing on her, pressing down on her like it had no one else. She had killed Bjorn Bohm, and she had to let out the anger that she was feeling before she killed another person. So she let it out on random strangers. They didn't deserve it, but to her, it was everything. Bjorn's death hurt her forever. She killed an innocent man.
To all units. Possible hostiles near your location.
Be advised, we are on the trail.
Again. Alright, so that's it for this video, ladies and gents. Well, gents. Wow.
Negative. No vision
Nobody
of the
really.
suspect.
I don't think anyone's watching me. Nah. I'm gonna dance. And I'm gonna go, ladies and gents. Gents. Nobody. No one watches me. I know. Goodbye.